Okay, hi Miss Kincaid. This is what I normally do. I go to schedule a meeting and I'm just going to put test meeting here. And then you take that off. I'm going to put with Miss Kincaid. Okay. And then I go down. I'm just going to schedule it for now, I guess, for 12. And then I just leave everything normally, the same. And then I click save. And then when I scroll down here, it says copy invitation. So I click that. And then I go copy meeting invitation. And then I would go to Canvas, to the inbox. Okay. And then I normally would create or compose a message. And then I click in here, right click, and paste the invitation there. And then I would click send. I would go here, I'm sorry. I have to select the kids. So, I don't know, I'll just go here and just do that. And then you can go here and click students. And then you can just choose the students that you'd like to have the invite. Okay. And so once I do that, then I just click send. And as soon as you click send, it turns the link. It makes the link discoverable. But it also has the meeting ID and the passcode there too. So I hope this helps. Let me know. Okay.